Well, I've got some exciting news. Recently, there was a short put out of a previous video that I did years ago on a 2015 to 2017 model F150 with a 2.7 liter Ecoboost. The oil pan was leaking, and I couldn't get an oil pan anywhere. No aftermarket companies had the plastic pan, no OE dealers. Everything was on national back order, and I could not touch the pan. And over the years, working with Dorman and companies like them, they have actually looked into this to see if they could make the product better, see if they could give somebody a more robust design, something that would be longer lasting and less likely to leak, in my opinion. And they actually did come out with something, but I wasn't actually aware that it's been out for several months now. Some people say there are other aftermarket companies as well that have come up with a design, but I have not seen those yet personally. I know what I have in front of me right here, I'm very, very, very happy with. So I'm going to flip this camera around. I'm going to show you this new die-cast aluminum pan design, and then you take it from there on whether or not you want to try to purchase it to replace your plastic pan. I know 18, 19, and 20, they came up with a plastic pan that has a gasket and stuff in it. But at the time, that pan couldn't be used on previous models because there was a little bit different about it. There was something different about it. And then now I've heard that some people are saying they've actually updated that pan as well, that's backwards compatible all the way to 2015. I don't want a plastic pan on mine if I can help it. So let me show you this. Comes with all new bolts, new hardware for the pan. It comes with this die-cast pan. It's actually got a magnetic drain plug that they supply with it. This whole entire portion that slides up into the pickup tube. Actually, you can unbolt this and clean it out if you wanted to, or replace it, whatever you will. They actually make a replacement gasket for this as well. It's the part number for this is 264791, and then if you wanted to get just the gasket, it's 264791G. That replaces this gasket if it ever should go bad. There's no guarantee that it won't, but it should last a lot longer than just some silicone in between two surfaces. Very high quality, very, very good job from Dorman. Again, in years past, people have had issues with certain electronics and stuff like that from Dorman, but they've really stepped up their game. They've been really focusing the last, 3, 4, 5 years on product quality overall, and they've done a great job in actually increasing product quality with their electronics and stuff. They've always pretty much knocked it out of the park when it comes to replacement parts like aluminum parts and different parts on engines, different plastic pieces, stuff like that. This is a very, 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 very nice pan. So wanted to share this with you guys, wanted to show you that it's available. 264791. If you're in the south suburbs of Chicago and you have a 2.7 Ecoboost and you want this pan, it's yours. Come see me. I'm not going to deliver it to you. Come see me, come pick it up. You got a free oil pan. Thank you, Dorman, for sending me this for product review. I really like the quality of this. It's extremely nice. It is a 6-liter design. You can go on their website. I'll leave the link down below. I'll have the Amazon account for their storefront, and I will also have the actual link for the gasket and stuff as well. So there you go. There's your replacement for your 2015 to 2017 2.7 Ecoboost oil pan. It does fit SUVs, fits F150s, maybe other applications as well. I'll throw a screenshot up here. Here is the oil pan gasket. So right now it's just listed as the F150, none of the SUVs. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you Dorman, for putting out products like this and coming up with fixes for guys that they don't want the plastic crap. They want metal, they want aluminum, they don't want the plastic junk, they don't want just silicone, they actually want a legit gasket. Thank you. Y'all be blessed. Take care. Remember, south suburbs of Chicago, or I don't care where you want to drive from. You can drive from anywhere. As long as you can make it to the south suburbs of Chicago, this is yours. Take care.